Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode with Gardening with me. Um, Today, remember I did an episode on the Arum Lily. Uh, if you don't, or you've subscribed after that, has already taken place, then take a look in the description because I put a link in there below. Um, what I want to show you today, though, is how to germinate some Arum Lily seeds. Arum Lily is native to my part of the world. I grew up with Arum Lily all over, and which is why I did the episode on medicinal values of the Arum Lily. So check that out. But this is how to sow them. It's a quick and dirty how to sow Arum Lily, or the color lily as it is known in the rest of the world. Cool. So all you need pretty much is some good sand, compost, and I've taken some river sand and just mixed that with the compost so it's nice and free draining, 50-50. And then I've got some seed which I have taken out of the Arum Lily. So these are the seeds that you would find inside the yellow fruits. I'll show you what the yellow fruits look like now. And now we'll sow them. So literally all you do is, I'm just gonna chuck them in there just at random, and then all I'll do with that is take some more soil, top it up, pat it down. You don't want to cover them too much, and then we're gonna water it. Be right back. So now I've watered it, and you can just see one of the seeds, for example, right here, just barely kind of peeking through the surface of the soil. There's another one right there, and that's pretty much how deep you want to plant them. And now we put it in a bright, warm place. Humidity is important to this plant. Upon germination, it needs a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius and above. So I think it's about 60 Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken. I'll stick it up on the screen for safety's sake, and then off you go. Makes really good long-lasting cut flowers, is a stunning plant, and has medicinal value. So if you're into indigenous gardening, give it a go. So now we put it in a bright place out of direct sunlight so that the soil doesn't dry out, but in a very well lit place. Remember, humidity is important, and an average temperature of 15 degrees or higher is required to actually get it to germinate. So best time to sow is late spring, early summer, and fertilizer is quite important, but let's get to that once they germinate. So be right back. Ta-da! Couple of months later, we have loads of little Zantedeschia aethiopica seedlings. Lots of them. I don't even know how many there are in here. So basically all I'll do now is I will repot them into bigger pots because they desperately need to come out, as you can see. So this is a 9 centimeter pot, which is 3.5 inches. Yeah, 3.5 inches. And there you go. That is how to propagate the calla lily or the arum lily, Zantedeschia aethiopica. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Goodbye.